Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the DT Watch 10 smartwatch, or also known as the DT Watch X smartwatch 10th anniversary edition. One of its main feature, best-selling feature for this wearable is the music control function. As you can see here, it is loaded with MP3 file. Don't you know that you can add your own MP3 file to this smartwatch? So how do we add, or how can we upload or download to our DT Watch 10 from your PC to your smartwatch? You can do that by transferring file from your PC or laptop going through your smartwatch via USB connection. So we have a demo on how to transfer MP3 file, or how to download, or so we'll say upload MP3 file on your smartwatch. In our case, we are going to use the DT Watch 10 as a test. As you can see here, we do have several MP3 file here. You can listen directly here on the wearable. We have other MP3 files here. Let me play. So these are MP3 files, some of the MP3 files that we uploaded. You can adjust the volume or decrease or increase the volume. So the question is, how can you upload it here on the DT Watch 10? So we have a simple, or we have a short video that I'm going to show it to you. A process on how to transfer the image or the MP3 on the smartwatch. But before you can transfer the image or the MP3 file rather on the smartwatch, just go to the settings, go to the USB mode, and switch it to the mass storage. Don't recharge. Tap on the mass storage, connect it with your cable, with your connector to the USB type A, and you can transfer to the smartwatch like it's a USB data storage. Watch the video on our demo. As you can see here, we plug in our smartwatch with its USB type A charging cable, and we do have some files here, as you can see. Go to the music folder of the smartwatch. It will be labeled as the USB file. Copy some MP3 files on your PC. Go to the USB drive E, go to the music section, and paste it like an E file, an ordinary file. No need to do something. Just make it sure that your smartwatch is in the storage mode and not a charging mode to be able to access the file on the smartwatch. Just wait for it to finish downloading or uploading to your smartwatch. The smartwatch has at least 4 GB of storage space. Can upload MP3 file, documents, pictures, and videos as well. So we are almost done here. 68%, 70, 74 complete. So we have some files here, and I guess we are done now. So the images here, or I mean the MP3 file, is already on the smartwatch. You can use your smartwatch directly, it's already there, and play your favorite music on the smartwatch.